Hey everyone, it's Kathy Lee from Berkshire Hathaway Veroni Realty, and just wanted to tell everyone we are so happy. This is a great day today. We are officially moved into our new location at 197 North Main Street, and we're full circle at this point now. Our first video showed you what we had and what we were dealing with when we were doing the renovation, and now I'm excited to show you what it looks like now. So come on in. So here I am standing in our new training room. As you can see, it's pretty much ready to go. Some minor things that we're still working on to personalize it, but we are going to be starting classes pretty soon. This is the internet bar that I've been talking about in the other videos. We're really excited about the way it came out, and we've already had some agents already in and using it. And here we are in one of our conference rooms. This is going to be a great place for happy closings and for great meetings. So I hope you enjoyed our tour of the building, and hope to see you all very soon in our new location. Bye.